if you noticed, but I've been, I've been looking, and you cute. I'm shy. Hold on. I want to keep this short, sweet, and to the point. I got something to tell you. Now, if you've been living under a rock, then you wouldn't know about Manscaped's latest release, which is the Lawn Mower 4.0. Hello! We have Manscaped's new Lawnmower 4.0, and I'm here to give you a review whether or not should you upgrade from the 3.0 to the 4.0. Is it worth it, Zosh? Should I upgrade? Should I spend the extra money? Well. It's time to find out. So open up our new Lawnmower 4.0. The packaging, it's amazing. Just slide it from the top like that. Here we have, ooh, look how nice that is. So nice. It's like reading a book. Bam! Dang! Woo, look at that 4.0. Wowzers. They got that sleek design, you know what I mean? This looks like a Ferrari, baby. Straight out of the box, look at the difference in these things. Like, look how sleek the 4.0 is compared to the 3.0. That is some sleeky johns right there, man. And it is full wireless charging. So these are both waterproof, but the scary thing about this is, right, let's say you're using it in the shower. What if water gets in there? Or like you're charging it and water gets in there? You know, that's just it's kind of scary. But with the 4.0, this thing is completely like sealed off. Like, it's amazing. If you've never groomed yourself, don't worry. I didn't start grooming myself until, about 3 months ago. But don't even stress. Manscaped got you ready to mow your lawn. You hit! By your lawn, I mean pubes. So don't get that confused. I mean, maybe you could mow your lawn with the Lawnmower 4.0, but why? Look at that. Look at that. We got picture instructions, son. Woo! Look at that. Oh! Whoa! Yeah! I don't know about you, but if anything comes with picture instructions, I'm in there. Like swimwear. Speaking of swimwear, you don't want to wear swimwear if you haven't groomed yourself. That could be disgusting. And then you won't be able to have fun with some buns. Can't have that. So as you guys see, we have our wireless charging dock, 2 blade guards, and we also, in the black bag, we have a little bristle brush to clean our trimmers once we're done trimming up our lawn. I mean pubes. We also have the wall plug and the charging cord so we can, obviously, power up. But it does wireless charge. You just got the charge thing to make it wireless charge. Technology, y'all get how it goes. I see you probably wondering, yo, Zosh, is it worth it? Should I upgrade from the 3.0, hell, even the 2.0 to the 4.0? And to answer that, the answer to that is, do you travel? I asked that because this has wireless charging and you can turn it off. Let's say you're traveling across the state, the country. You about to go have some fun with some bun. And this goes off in your backpack. That ain't, you might, look, I'm not saying something without saying anything. What? All I'm saying is, if I'm traveling, I want this thing to be off at all times, because you never know what could happen in your backpack. And with the 4.0, they added a travel lock. So basically, you can lock this thing so it can never turn on unless you do the steps to unlock it, which goes as follows. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. This right here is the indicator light to let you know if you have enough battery juice left. It's awesome. It's super sweet. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh! Now it's unlocked. Just that simple. And now it's locked. Awesome, right? They both operate at 7,000 RPMs. The 4.0 is much sleeker than the 3.0. And they both offer advanced SkinSafe technology, which reduces, does not eliminate, but reduces nicks on your balls. You don't want to be mowing down there and you go, oh, Lordy, Lord. Yeah, so it doesn't eliminate, but it definitely definitely reduces the risk of having that type of stuff happen to your pubic area. That ain't cool, man. So should you upgrade from the 3.0 to the 4.0? I would say yes if you are bougie like me and you want to have wireless charging. And you want to have the travel lock feature, so when you're traveling, nothing in your bag will hit the on button, and then this will happen. So when you're traveling and something hits the on button now, nothing will happen. It'll stay off. And there you have it. The Lawnmower 4.0 review is in by your boy Zosh. And I hope you enjoyed this. And for the best part of this entire video, yup, discount code. Click the first link down below to get involved with Manscaped. Your balls will thank you. Your woman will thank you. Hell, even your man will thank you. Get involved, and huge thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring this video.